right, good morning. Mr. Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Lieutenant Murphy, good morning. Thank you for
Good
accommodating.
morning. How are y'all?
Good, thanks for accommodating us this morning. It is 9:23 and it's Tuesday, May 13th, 2025. We are now at the East Baton Rouge Parish Prison and we have Mr. Taylor. Would you introduce yourself? Tell us your name and your DOC number.
My name is Timothy Taylor. My DOC number 47150 7050 40 hold on 70 no 407150.
407150. Yes,
ma'am.
that is correct. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So you're here for a revocation decision, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Taylor. You do you have any paperwork there with you?
No, ma'am. I left it up under my mattress.
Okay, that's okay.
I have some. It's up under my mattress.
No, I'm talking about a parole revocation
Oh, yes, ma'am.
question.
Yes, ma'am. I have one here.
Yeah, is that your signature at the bottom of that page?
Yes, ma'am.
And based on the information you gave in that questionnaire, you're not eligible for an appointed lawyer this morning. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
ready to proceed without a lawyer?
I might as well because I'm already in here, ma'am.
So I'm going to read the allegations and you'll enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. And then we'll talk about it, okay?
Okay.
So you're accused of violating condition number 3, and it states you failed to obtain permission from your parole officer before moving from 2341 Caddy Street in Marrero.
Yes, ma'am.
Upon arrest on February 16, 2025, you gave a home address of 5139 Baker Boulevard in Baker. This address was not approved by your parole officer prior to moving, so you absconded supervision. How do you?
Yes, ma'am. I agree to that because that was my old ID that I gave to the officer.
They guilty or guilty?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll talk about it in a minute. Let me finish reading them all.
Okay.
In condition number 6, and it says you failed to provide employment verification, and you admitted to not having employment. So how do you violating condition number 6?
Guilty.
Okay. And lastly is condition number 10 with regard to your fees. You're currently in arrears in the amount of $947. You have never made a payment.
No, ma'am.
Guilty.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so talk to us. Tell us what your situation is. I see that you released on good time in November.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you've been in jail since February of this year. So
Okay.
what happened?
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you, ma'am. Right now, I'm homeless, and I'm not kidding. That's why I came back to Baton Rouge because when I was in Marrero, I couldn't pay the rent. So the woman told me to pack my stuff, and I just packed my stuff, and I asked my sister for money to catch the bus to come back to Baton Rouge. And I'm not kidding. I got picked up on February 16th due to the fact that I didn't have anywhere to live. I gave him my old ID. You understand? When I got incarcerated, my old ID. I used to live in Baker.
You're talking about the Baker Boulevard
Yes,
address?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I used to live in Baker on Baker Boulevard, and that was my old ID.
So you were arrested on our warrant?
To be honest with you, I think I am. I was.
So tell us, what's your plan? What?
Ma'am, I'm gonna be honest with you. I got an address back there up under my mattress, and it's on North Street. I'm trying to get back to Baton Rouge. I'm in a program right now.
Who lives on North Street?
It's North 17 or something like that. I don't forgot the name of it. I got it. I got it written down.
Listen to me. Just answer my question.
Yeah.
Who lives on North Street?
No, ma'am. It's a program, ma'am. I'm not kidding.
Is a program for sex offenders?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it's a house for sex offenders?
Yes, ma'am. There you go. Now we speaking now. Thank you.
And let's talk about why haven't you made any payments?
Because I wasn't working, ma'am. And when I come home, I didn't even have a Social Security card. I had to wait to get my Social Security card, and it took me at least three weeks to get that.
Okay.
And I filled out applications for a job, but I didn't have my Social Security card, so they wasn't gonna hire me without that. I had to have proof of that.
I get it.
I had to wait for it.
You have that?
Yes, ma'am. And I ended up getting it when the woman.
All right. All right. I don't have any other questions, Mr. Taylor, my colleague.
I have no questions, Taylor.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Mr. Taylor, I think we're ready to vote, and you pled guilty. You pled guilty to all the violations, even at your preliminary hearing, and today you've given us an explanation. I understand that sometimes paying the rent of those houses are difficult. And so my vote today would be, do not revoke, but to hold you until such time as the residence plan that you got in your
Yes, ma'am.
mattress is approved. It's got to be
Okay.
approved.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
And then I'll defer to my colleagues for any other special conditions.
Okay, ma'am, can I ask you a question?
Wait a minute, we got to vote. We
Okay.
got to vote. Mr. Prater,
I concur.
Mr. Freeman.
I concur. We'll hold you till you find an approved residence plan.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank you all. Ma'am, I want to ask you, that's what I want to know. How can I get back in touch with y'all in order, if this program go through for me?
You get in touch with the parole
It's the parole officer,
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
and they'll be in
and we're
touch.
gonna be sending them this decision too, so they'll know.
All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate y'all.
Good luck to you, sir.
All right, God bless y'all. I thank y'all. Thank God for y'all. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, sir. Y'all have a good one, all right?
Lieutenant, thank you.
Oh, you're
Sign
welcome.
off at 9:29.